And once the foundation was laid and there was some content developed, we got support from Bharatiya Vidvat Parishad. We have a internal team, of course, as well, and very committed scholars who are continuously working on the different aspects of the Indian knowledge system and contributing to Dharma Wiki. We also have a very good collaboration with the scholars and students associated with the Gurukuls. At Dharmaviki, we were really fortunate to be blessed with the guidance and support of many very committed and renowned scholars, starting with Govind Prabhuji. He is from the Chaitanya Seva Trust. Our Professor Ram Subramaniam, who is a very renowned scholar in the Indian knowledge system. K.S. Narayana ji, late K.S. Narayana ji, helped us in articulating our Dharma point of view. Lakshmi Tatacharya ji, whose foundation also helped in putting together very important and the foundational content of Dharmaviki. And once the foundation was laid and there was some content developed, we got support from Bharatiya Vidvat Parishad. We have an internal team, of course, as well, and very committed scholars who are continuously working on the different aspects of the Indian knowledge system and contributing to Dharma Wiki. We also have a very good collaboration with the scholars and students associated with the Gurukuls. So, Bharati Shikshan Mandal organized a Virat Gurukul Sammelan, and through that process, we could connect with large number of Gurukuls, teachers and students over there who also contribute to Dharma Wiki. We now are in the process of setting up MOUs and collaboration with large number of universities, Sanskrit universities. We have collaboration with the Indian Knowledge System Division of the Ministry of Education in an informal way. We have also introduced our work to the Ministry of Education and their Indian Knowledge System Division, and they are also guiding us and supporting in different ways in terms of connecting with the scholars, engaging with the PhD students. There are a lot of PhD students and the master's level student in different universities who are doing original work, who are doing scholarly work in the different aspects of the Indian knowledge system, and they are also putting their work on the Dharma Wiki. So recently we have started Dharma Wiki talks. So every month a talk on a specialized subject is given by one of our core team member. In the future, we are planning to introduce few courses, online courses, which different scholars from the specific streams can take and build on their scholarly pursuits. At the moment, Dharma Wiki is already enumerated. Dharma Wiki is already identified as a source of notes, as a knowledge source for the courses in IIT Mandi, IIT Bombay in some courses. There is an NPTEL course where Dharma Wiki is used as one of the reference readings, meaning different articles of the Dharma Wiki are referred. We have now started working on online content creation in terms of offering the lessons to the young students. We have started with the content development for teaching mathematics using Vedic and our ancient ways of teaching mathematics. That collaboration is with the Anadi Foundation, and we have started working with the IIT Madras for recording the videos, and very soon we will be putting up those videos as an open source for the teachers and the students who wish to learn mathematics in the Vedic perspective, from the ancient perspective, using methods which were there in this system hundreds of years ago. And we hope that will help young students to get rid of the fear of mathematics.